Socrative is a simple quiz application, task preparation, quizzes, etc. that can be used in the classroom to receive real-time feedback from students learning. So, first of all, you need to click on the Socrative link, then the teacher must create an account or enter with his Google account. Get an account. Create the account for teachers you can access with the Google account. Resources. Access to the blog with resources quizzes Socrative. Student login entrance for students. Teacher login entrance for teachers. Activity number 1. Tourist port. Some curiosities. First, enter the platform on the link below. Second, enter the room indicated. See for example the link. Third, go to quiz visit portal. 4. Read all the information carefully. 5. Answer the question presented. 6. Check your result. Digital activity security. Do not place personal data on the internet such as full name, phone, mobile number, school, work name, address, extracurricular activities. Be aware when placing photos on the internet, since the internet is public. Do not put photographs of others without prior authorization. Restrict viewing of photos to people you know. If the photography was taken by mobile phone or tablet, turn off the GPS option so the photo is not associated with the location. Take care of the scenarios of the photos not to report confidential data, such as place of residence, work, financial conditions, etc. Photographs and comments placed on the internet define a person's digital identity.